Acharya World Class Education.
Happy morning. I am Loka.
I am Dilip. I am Karthik.
From grade 9 Acharya Balasiksha Mandir, IIT Jigma campus, Pondicherry. Our project is automatic braking system. An automatic braking system is an important part of safety technology for automobiles. It is an advanced system specifically designed to either prevent possible collision or to reduce the speed of a moving vehicle. Now my friend Dilip will explain about this automatic braking system towards your car.
The Highway Loss Data Institute says that the automatic braking system slashes crashes by half. The analysis of the car fitted with the automatic braking system will reduce the incidence of the car by 50% according to a report by the Highway Loss Data Institute. Now my friend Monica will explain.
So the automatic emergency braking system can activate when it is unnecessary. Studies show safety impact.
Now my friend Lohan will going to explain the components used in this project.
We kept Arduino Uno here connected with ultrasonic sensor and relay module. For powering all this, we kept 12-volt battery here. We kept 4 gear motors to run this vehicle. Now we will show the demonstration of this project.